Today I am taking 69 Pokemon cards and I'm gonna paint original characters on every single one of them. Let's go!
I wanna be the very best. No one ever was. To catch them is my real test. To train them is my cause. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide. Each Pokemon to understand the power that's inside. Pokemon, into me. I know it's my destiny. Oh, you're my best friend in a world that must end. A heart so true, our stories will follow through. You teach me and
This guy's gotta be called Doodle Ops.
Doodle Ops.
Yeah.
So yeah, Professor Doodle Ops. This is just these guys make me laugh. They're fucking weird.
In what way?
They're just so fucking random. Like they're so weird, but I also feel like I know them. I feel like we're like old buddies or some shit. Or they like chilled with me in a dream or something.
Is that where you get the idea from? Like in dreams and stuff?
No, not really. Like, it's happened before, but most of the time it just, like I said, I just start making weird stuff with the paint and weird textures and patterns until I see stuff in it.
I wanna be the very best. No one ever was. To catch them is my real test. To train them is my cause. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide. Each Pokemon to understand the power that's inside. Pokemon, into me. I know it's my destiny. Oh, you're my best friend in a world that must end. A heart so true, our stories will follow through. You teach me and I teach.
That's profound.
$69 cards. That's right, 69. And I went on a journey, man. This one took a while to create 69 original characters. We got them all, you know what I'm saying? We caught them fucking all. I don't know, just holding these things in my hand is so sick. Just to do anything 69 times, it's pretty hard. And flipping through them, man, it gets me hyped. Yeah, this was a fun challenge. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have a favorite character, you should let me know. Thanks for checking it out. Yo, I appreciate you and I love you. Till next time, be easy. Peace.
Yeah.
Oh, it broke.
No.
Featuring Tage. What is up, Tage?
You're making art?
I've been trying to.
Why are you making a deal record? He suck.
I suck, dude.
This is his training, bro. That's exactly why.
At least I don't stink.
Bro, stop filming me. You gotta pay me if you gotta record me.
Oh, you're the star.
Just do
alright.
all
Model
the shit
status.
without paying.
That's really good.